What is Add to VIP contact group option in Android phone? Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll explain you all the details about the Add to VIP contact groups on your Android phone. Now guys, if you are using any Realme phone, then you will get this option on your phone. But even though you are using the different mobile except Realme, then also you might get this option in many of the on normal phones. Okay, so in this video I'll explain you all the details regarding this option Add to VIP contacts. Now guys, what happen is whenever we save contacts on our phone and we go to that particular contact, and then we get this option Add to VIP contacts. And guys, what happened is this feature is specifically given to those like if you are attending some meetings, and then you have to put your mobile on silent mode, but you don't want to miss some of the calls, some of the important person's call. Then what you can do this, you can simply put that person's contact on VIP contact group. And now what happened is if your mobile is silent, okay, your mobile is silent, and even the data, even your mobile is silent, and then what happens is even though your mobile is silent, your mobile will ring up and then vibrate as normal, okay, even though your mobile is on quiet mode or silent mode. So this is the VIP contact, this is how the VIP contact works. Okay, so guys, even though this mobile number, the mobile number which you are adding to VIP contact group, if the mobile number you have put it on anti-harassment mode, also if you have to blocked it, then also it will, what happen is it will ring up. So guys, this is how it works. Okay, so this is what it is for. I hope this video definitely helps you to understand what VIP contact add VIP group contact mode is. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.